Let's summarize what we have learned so far. In order to complete the component, you must carefully examine the engineering drawing at the onset of the operation. Keep in mind the dimensions and critical tolerances. Select the correct raw material. Keep the required cutting tools and measuring instruments handy. Plan and write the sequence of the operation. Switch on the machine and set the home position. Insert the cutting tools in the tool turret. Place the material to be cut into the chuck jaws. Use the dial gauge to check concentricity. In case of accidents or errors, use the emergency switch to turn off the machine. Set the individual tool offset position for each tool in the program. Perform a skin touch. Use a vernier caliper to measure the diameter and depth of the bores. Perform the operations as per the sequence. Use the thread gauges to check thread accuracy. Use soft jaws to clamp the workpiece towards the final operations to avoid marring. Deburr any sharp edges.